In this video, we are going to see Open Zeppelin Pausable smart contract. So in order to use the smart contract, you have to import the statement and extend our contract as is possible. So in this smart contract, we have two functions. One function is setToOne and one function is incrementByOne. So what I want to do is pause the smart contract, and when I pause the smart contract, both these functions should not work, and only these things should work when I unpause the smart contract again. So we can use functions from Pausable smart contract. There is pause and unpause. And similarly, we also have unpause. In order to pause this function, we have to add the modifier whenNotPaused. So this modifier will throw error when we try to call this function when it's paused. So let's compile and deploy. So right now the number is 0, and if I click on setToOne, the number is 1, and if I increment, the number is incremented to 2, and if I see, the contract is right now not paused, but when I click on pause, the contract is paused now, and when I try to increment, this will start throwing error. So we will no longer be able to use increment or setToOne until this smart contract is unpaused again. So now I have unpaused. Now if I click on increment, this again starts working. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.